there's an alpha shop in LA. I've been on the wait list for a year. And it's because he can't find anyone to hire that wants to do the work or wants to even learn the work, right? David Hume, who now has My Citroën in Kentucky, he's wants to retire. He's kind of made that clear. His contemporary another David in New York, just sold his business, is restoring SMs. So in the States, once David's gone, there's JF in Santa Clarita that hopefully will take it on. But it's, I talked to David when I flew out to Kentucky, and he's like, yeah, there used to be 30 years ago, there'd always be kids that were interested, but now I can't find anybody. So I think that has been, as a psychologist that works with youth, up to young adulthood, I have seen a big shift in kind of expectations of a generation, right? And what they want to do and what they're willing to do and what they find value in. But also the world around them is vastly different than when any of us grew up, and how we consume things, how information is given to us.